Hey everyone, check out the Instant Pot Official Cooking Set, a versatile 3-piece accessory kit designed just for your Instant Pot. This set helps you prepare quick, healthy meals and snacks with ease, making nutritious cooking a breeze. The multi-use pan is perfect for cooking, baking, storing, reheating, and even serving your favorite dishes. The egg tray is great for cooling, decorating eggs, and can also double as a handy trivet. Its smart pleated steamer fits various cooker sizes, with interlocking handles that stay secure under the lid while cooking. Made from durable stainless steel and BPA-free silicone, it's heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Upgrade your Instant Pot experience with this thoughtfully designed, safe, and practical cooking set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.